Good day. Chief Officer Denis Gaudreau and myself would like to congratulate you on being selected to compete in the air maintenance competition in Atlanta. We wish you the best.
This competition is a great opportunity for you guys to showcase what you do, the amazing skills that you have, and what you do every day, especially under pressure. We know that you do this every day on your wings, at your squadrons here in Canada, and we know that you do that as well on operation all the time. We're really confident that you are the best of the best.
So we ask you during your time in Atlanta, as you get to meet new friends, new colleagues, to work hard, to learn from one another, and ideally bring some of that experience back to our great RCAF. As the Chief indicated, we have the best technicians in the world, and we know you're going to do exceptionally well in the competition. Good luck.
We have no doubt that you will do the RCAF extremely proud.